I'll have to be honest with you. First thing I'm going to mention right up front is it's free. I like the service when it's free because, you know, you can tie up a lot of money in different services, and from experience I found out that sometimes you can pay a lot of money and you may not be getting that much out of it.
Good afternoon and welcome to GrainTV. My name is Cody Bills, Logan Burgess. Today is Friday the 14th for the weekly wrap-up. Let's turn right over the trading platform, see where we closed off the week. Corn ended up trading 4 3/4 cents higher here today. Soybeans down 6 3/4. Wheat in Chicago trading up 3 cents, and Kansas City wheat trading up 3 1/4. Now soybeans was the only grain here to go negative here, Logan. Maybe you could walk us through how we ended up trading today.
Yeah, you know, we saw exceptional strength out of soybeans to start the trade session. It really looked like this market was ready to make another leg higher. We retested highs that we really haven't seen since about August. Really when that large weather premium was put into the old crop market. Take a look here though at this chart. You can see we traded up quite a bit higher, but we actually closed lower on the trade session. Technically, that's a sign of weakness here, I think, going into the weekend. A couple of fundamental factors, though, that we had affecting the market today. We did have Agroconsult lower their expectation for Brazilian production, now sitting at 90.8 million metric tons. That's more in line with what we saw the USDA report in the January USDA WASDE report. If we take a look, though, at weather in South America right now, it looks relatively favorable. As we know, though, that changes kind of day to day. It could be a long weekend here. Markets are going to be closed on Monday, and we have the NOPA crush report out on Tuesday. So it could be a volatile day for the beans come Tuesday. Traders are expecting 162.4 million bushels of beans crushed during the month of January, so keep an eye on that report, and we'll help keep you posted on that here on GrainTV. Cody, we did have some interesting moves, though, in the cash market this week.
Absolutely, and you know, some of the rallying that we've seen in the futures market has definitely affected the cash market. We saw corn down a penny. We saw soybeans down 3 cents when we're looking at basis across the U.S. Yep. One thing to note here is that soybeans along the river actually posted some gains here, up really a couple of cents, with soy plants declining 3 cents across the country. Now it is kind of interesting that soybeans moved higher here because along the rivers, because for a long while, really since January, we've lost about 13 cents in the cash market, and I think part of that has to do with declining barge rates. Right. When you look over at corn, it's a little bit different scenario. You know, we're down a penny on average across the U.S. We saw the Gulf and River also down on average about a penny, but that's just really kind of stayed for the most part strong. We haven't seen any significant declines there, and really that's been supported by the stronger exports that we've seen out of corn. One thing to note, though, ethanol did decline 5 to 10 cents on the week, and that's pretty substantial when we take a look at, you know, the movements in the cash market that we've seen really in the last couple months.
Yeah, certainly. Well, as I said, Cody, it could here be an interesting start to the week next week for soybeans in particular. As we said, markets will be closed on Monday for President's Day, so everyone have a good, safe, long weekend here. We'll see you back on Tuesday to report on those NOPA crush numbers.